What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good, guys? It's Friday, so you know what day it is. It's another TCP payday. It's another day we got paid. It's another residual income day. It's the morning time. Just dropped the kids off at school. It's getting close to the end, so but anytime that payment could actually hit, so I shoot these videos early in the day, and sometimes if I don't post it, I'll kind of put up the, the payment screenshot for the week showing that I got paid, showing my proof. But guys, I've been involved in the conversion pros for the past 2 years. And when I say it's been an amazing company, it's an amazing company. Because I'm able to help others in their main business. I don't have to pull them away from something that they're doing. Actually, what I'm utilizing is actually helping them, because I'm actually able, that once they, able to see what I offer a full tool suite that they're going to need for their network marketing business when it comes to getting leads into their business, when it comes to actually building a relationship with your leads in your business, from webinars on down to tracking tools to even leads, where you can actually purchase leads where people have already answered a survey saying, hey, I am interested in making money online. What do you have? So you have to do is just call them, text them, reach out, and we give you scripts. We actually have training that shows you what to say as far as calling and texting and leaving messages. We give you training scripts as far as, copywriting strategies. The whole nine we pretty much lay out for you with this whole business, and then we show you how to actually make money online. So that is the actual thing, guys. We help you. We pretty much help you all the way to the end. We help you make money. Regardless of the business, regardless of the program that you're involved in, you can actually get involved in this company and make some very, very good money, guys. And all we do is go out and pass out, guess what, a free website, because it's free for 7 days. You can try this thing out for 7 days. No credit card required. I couldn't charge you, or we couldn't charge you if we wanted to. So what do you have to lose? You don't want to win in your business. You don't want to test something out that you can give to your team, that they can duplicate, they can copy your codes on your pages and pretty much have the same exact thing that you have all the same messages that you have, and then pretty much and so on, so that way it just gets deeper and deeper and deeper into the team. That's what I'm about to set up this weekend, because I'm taking on a whole new venture with a whole nother company now, which is Copy Profit Success Global. Okay? And this company, guys, I'm already in the money. As far as my downline goes, guys, I've been really, I just started promoting here this past weekend, and my downline's growing pretty good. I'm already in the money. So once this thing goes live, I'm going to be game, baby. I'm going to be game. I'm shooting for the $1,600 residual now. I'm past 600. So I'm gonna be gang when this thing blows off, guys. So get positioned in that. I'm gonna leave a link for you at the bottom on that, guys, because this is a residual income as well. Everything that I'm pinpointing you to is a residual income. Now the only difference is that with this here, guys, it's a Forex takeover, because we're learning something that's actually gonna show us how to make money without recruiting. When you're learning the skill set, you're in $1 trillion market, guys. The Forex market is very huge. It's a big company. It's a big market. And a lot of money is made in it every day. And we're going to show you how to do that by just trading or taking signals and learning how to take your own trades. We're going to show you that, guys. We're going to have boot camp trainings. Everything is going to be pretty much laid out for you. We have one of the best compensation plans that are out there. So there's going to be a link right at the bottom, and it's going to have all that information. So when you pretty much sign up for your free account, get positioned for free, you can actually go over the compensation plan. Compensation plan is going to be laid out, and you're going to be able to check it out. So you have nothing to lose, guys. Through everything that I'm talking to you about today, you have nothing to lose. Literally nothing to lose. So, you can check out your free system for the conversion pros, guys, and see exactly how we utilize that. What others are saying. We have a Facebook group, support team that pretty much helps you with any questions you may have about the business with the owner. A lot of people that's been involved. I've been involved. People get welcomed in there every day on that end, guys. So check it out, man. I can only say so much. I can only do so much. I'm not going to pull you on. I'm not going to twist your arm. I'm just going to keep getting paid, and the others that are understanding what I'm saying are going to take advantage of this as well, okay? So, it's Friday, guys. I'm going to enjoy. I got my Ray-Bans on, enjoying the sun, and we're going to kick it. We're going to kick it today, man. So, you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out. Peace.